All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you see this bag right here, then you are in for a treat today. I'm gonna do a small unboxing. So we're just gonna be taking a closer look at all the new colors for the S25 Ultra. Now the purpose of this video is gonna be really simple. It's just self-explanatory. If you're looking forward to buying the S25 Ultra, if you were considering buying one of these phones and you're not really sure which color to get, then hopefully this video will give you a good pointer on all the colors. Again, I tried to set this up in the most authentic way possible. I'm in front of a window. This is natural light. This is exactly what it's gonna look like in real life. Let's get right into it. All right, so to start off, this one I kind of already unboxed it, but I'm going to show you guys this first. This is the natural titanium S25 Ultra. It's basically the same as last year in terms of colorway. Obviously in terms of body and shape size, it is ever so slightly different, but for the most part it is about the same. You know, you got this really nice design, this kind of like square design. I think it's an overall success. You know, obviously it has to be a little bit different than the last model just so they can give it the S25 tag, but for the most part it really is simple. As you'll see here, a lot of the times the sun will be glaring, so there will be this will be a very accurate representation of what you would get in the box. So S25 Ultra, nothing too crazy about it. This one is already set up, so it has the new software running on it. Has a really nice bright screen, very fast and sharp. It's vivid, it's cool. I like it. There's not that much to say. I mean, I think this time around for this year, you know, it's kind of like an S24S. Nothing too crazy, but this video is mainly just about the colors. So this is the S25 in the natural titanium. Now for those of you who would like to see these phones in a different lighting and different setting, I will definitely have some b-roll towards the end of the video, just so you guys can get a better idea of all of the phones. All right, so moving on to the next one. This one I think is the black one if I'm not mistaken. Let's just open it quick and have a look inside. So this is the black S25 Ultra. Kind of cool. It has a bit of a kind of like a charcoal finish to it. It's not all that black, nor is it all that dark, and it still has kind of like the natural titanium rails on the side, so it isn't a fully dark phone. It still looks pretty good for the most part. Also, I think I forgot to show you guys, but you have the S Pen inside. This one has a lighter color S Pen. I'm not entirely sure what the exact name of this color is, but this is what it looks like in sunlight. The only complaint I have is that I wish it also had darker sides, just because these are kind of light and it just, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really embrace the black phone aesthetic. If you are picking up the S25 Ultra, this is one thing that you absolutely need: a screen protector and a lens protector. All right, so if you're looking for a screen protector for your new S25 Ultra, this has got to be one of the best ones. It's from UltraGlass, and it really is super simple and straightforward to set up. All you have to do is just clean your screen, you know, just prepare your phone, so once you do it, it's really nice and neat. And I gotta be honest, when I set this up for the first time, so when I removed the orange alignment case, I was really surprised. I really was thinking to myself, like, where is the screen protector? It really covers the whole phone from edge to edge, and it has a super sleek, minimal design. You won't even notice the screen protector is there, and that's the best part. It has this super clean, minimal aesthetic feel to it. I'm not a huge screen protector fan, but with this one, it's like it's not even there. So I absolutely love this. It's super clean and simple, and it's incredibly resistant to like scratches and damages. I full on smashed this phone on the table. I was using a freaking screwdriver to just hit the screen, and it was super clean and amazing. If you are interested in this UltraGlass and you want to get a screen protector and protect your S25 Ultra, check out the link down below. Now moving on to this next one, I think this is the Icy Blue or the white one if I'm not mistaken. No, this is the white one. You can tell by this little bar at the top. White S25 Ultra. There's always a white phone somewhere somehow. It's kind of like a default. I don't know if you've noticed also with the boxes, but they are made of these recycled materials. It's really visible. I mean, you can really tell this is recycled. If you look up closely, you'll see all of the materials. But yeah, get into this. This is the white one. Potentially, see now this one, I'll give you guys a quick comparison. This one, in contrast to this one, see now this black one has natural titanium rails, but this white one has like a nice clean silver titanium rails, which I think just looks overall better. It just kind of fits in better with the overall uniformity of the colorway itself. Very nice. This white one's very clean, super premium. It looks very good, and I think the overall, like I said, the final touch on these phones that makes it really nice in terms of colorway, it's really these rails. Like, I don't know, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll try to show you guys this as much as possible, but personally I really do think that if the color of the phone matches this titanium railing, it's just an overall winning combo. This one feels like it's, I don't know, it's just personally not my favorite, so maybe that's just that also, but you know, just kind of how I feel. All right, now last but definitely not least, the new S25 Ultra in the Icy Blue. I'm really curious to see what this looks like under the sunlight. I think it's gonna actually look pretty good. We're gonna find out in a second once I get these pull tabs out. There we go, S25 Ultra now. All right, this is it. This is the one. This is definitely my favorite colorway out of all of them so far. This is one of the combinations that I actually find kind of acceptable. So we have this icy blue here, and the sides are like this, you know, gray, kind of cool gray finish, but it looks nice. This is a good combination. Like for example, if I take out the black phone again in comparison, this one just looks a lot better to me, and it's also because it has a very similar color to the iPhone 13 Pro, which I absolutely love that blue on the 13 Pro. This one, however, is a ever so slightly less saturated. It looks less punchy. Obviously, I think that in hindsight, I think this combination for the side for this black one is the better option in the end, but I still believe that maybe if they tried to put like they should have put a dark one on this one. I don't know, I'm just a little upset. I think it would have looked overall better, but yeah, this icy blue one is definitely the nicest one out of all of them. Most unique color out of all three. So side by side, this is what all of the new S25 Ultras look like. We got the icy blue, the black, white, and natural titanium. Now, naturally, in the natural light, you can see here, there isn't that much of a significant difference. I mean, arguably, these two are basically the same. This one's just a little bit more champagne-ish, and this one is just very white. And then this one is white with a hint of blue in it. So for the most part, it's still a pretty nice lineup. A lot of people actually were saying that, you know, it's not that different. I do really like this new design. I really do feel like it's cool, it's simple, it's clean. I really love like flat edges, flat bezels, just everything nice and simple and straight, linear. I really do think this is a nice formula. Let me know what you guys think about these new S25 Ultras. A little bit of controversy on these. I don't know how many people are going to be picking these up, but yeah, if you ever were wondering which color you wanted, this video is always a reference point. You can always come back. I noticed a lot of you guys watching the videos are not subscribed, so if you can do me a favor and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on content, that would be amazing. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.